For this video, I'm gonna do every single sound in that sound. Say this very loud sound. Put all the way there. That is all the sound. No, chocolate. That's a bit too loud. Candy. Alright, let's rate them. The creamy sounds like I want it. This is making me feel like I want to eat like cream. Like that cream thing. And chocolate. So good. I know buzz I don't know what it sounds like. Candy. Now this sounds like more like Lapis than candy to me, but candy in the candy thing, clappy. But this kind of sounds like clappy, but I think it's not. Premium. Imagine, I don't know what to call this, but this is like sounds like some kind of printer, like a classy printer. Or even water. No. Guys, I'm not what I tell you, but this is the best. So much good. Oh. Now that sounds like gunshots, you know? Christmas. Sounds like Christmas birthday. Okay, yeah. Okay, this sounds like the what tomorrow like. This with all that. Wait, no. Okay, without honey. What the signal? Honey. I'm so satisfied. Yeah, but this sounds like the fluffy but much better. No. But this, someone gives me like the float of snow starting to dig that out. So, slime. I don't want to play +1 Slime Escape. Okay, bye. The name anti-garlic number. That would be. You forgot one. We need a BB Young money. Nah, we can't get that anymore. At least you can see my butt though. Okay, why I do that? Another video, yes sir. What?